Stretch-tight lizard cowboy boots. Cowboy boots are great fashion statements that can make your outfit look fabulous day or night. Most cowboy boots are made from the skin of animals like lizards. Lizard skin in particular can sometimes feel too tight. The solution to this painful dilemma is to stretch the lizard cowboy boots. You can bring your boots to a professional shoe repair shop or stretch them at home. Here's how. Buy a boot stretcher. Professional boot stretchers can be purchased from local shoe repair stores, some shoe stores and online. Boot stretchers slightly increase the width of the boots to give you a more comfortable fit. The metal handle helps you insert the boot stretcher into the cowboy boot properly. Some boot stretchers also come with optional plugs meant to relieve the pressure around bunions, corns and other foot imperfections. Usually, boot stretchers come in pairs, one for the left and the right boot. Purchase a stretch liquid or spray. Stretch spray relaxes the leather of your cowboy boots. You can buy stretch liquid or spray from the same places where the boot stretcher is available. Some use isopropyl spray instead of stretch liquid. It is best to find a stretch liquid that is suitable for lizard skin. Apply the stretch spray or liquid. If you have the spray shoe stretcher, spray the inside of one boot with the product. Wipe the inside of the boot to make sure the spray gets into the seams. You can use a dry cloth to do this. If you have the liquid type, dampen a cotton ball with the stretch liquid and wipe the inner seams of one boot. Get the other boot and repeat the application procedure. Use the boot stretcher. Insert the boot stretchers into the boots after applying the stretch liquid or spray. Leave the boot stretchers inside for 24 hours. You can leave them in longer if necessary. The more time the boot stretcher stays in the lizard cowboy boots, the more the boot stretches. Fit your boots. After leaving the boot stretchers inside the boots for the whole night, remove the boot stretchers. Wear your boots and walk around the room. If one or both boots still feel tight, repeat the same stretching procedure until the boots have stretched to your desired size. Note: if you only need to stretch your lizard cowboy boots a little, you may not need a cowboy boot stretcher at all. Apply stretch liquid or spray inside the boots. Next, wear thick socks. Then, wear your boots. The inside of the boots should still be damp. The leather will relax because of the stretch liquid. Since you are wearing the boots should conform to the shape of your feet. Walk around until the inside of the boots are dry. Repeat this procedure daily for a week or until you feel that your lizard cowboy boots are looser and more comfortable to wear. No matter how carefully you bought your lizard cowboy boots, you can still end up with a pair that is a little tight for comfort. The good thing is, for as long as the size of the boots is not too small for your feet, you can stretch your tight lizard cowboy boots. Once stretched properly, you can wear your boots with pride.